more room than you than the Lambo?
Lambo had a little more room, like it had a
more room.
It got built-in jammers. It came with it, bro. And then it got the camera package right here. Like, you know when you go down the track to time yourself?
Yeah.
That motherfucker records you going down the track. Like, you know how people put the camera behind the car to record? It should record me inside.
Did you have to like learn how to drive this bitch or?
Yeah, like, I mean, I done worked on them for customers, so I kind of had an idea. Okay. But no, it's a lot. It's more technical. It's way more advanced than Lambo. Lambo, you pay for the name.
Yeah. It ain't nothing but an Audi.
Well, you know, McLaren, bro, used to work for Ferrari.
You know how that shit go.
He lived that. Fastest racing in Atlanta. I'm gonna show you the video. You gonna know the Z06, ain't it?
Z06?
Geeked up too. That nigga mad, bro. You should see the videos he got recorded at hip hop live.
Slicks in the front, slicks in the back.
C7.
But it wasn't no regular C7. It was like the fastest C7 or something.
Hey, you burnt. A little bit. You know.
That boy was bad as a bitch, bro.
Damn.
He said, bro, that car ain't regular.
I like the front of this bitch though.
Here's the camera.
The R?